And hello, boys and girls. Here's your old Uncle Alan. And people wondering what that is. And we all know what it is. I'll put that away right now. Okay. This is going to be a short blog today. And I'm in my cowboy getup. Yeah. Got my cup right here. And let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got today in the mail. And we got from Matt A's Prepping and Survival. Yeah, Matt's Prepping and Survival. We got a little sticker. Hey, we're going to put it up on our sticker board once I get a sticker board. Okay, thank you very much, Matt. Got it. And in return, I'm going to send a card. And also, I've been working on this. If you get one of these, I sent one to LA Prepper, and Matt's going to get one. You can see that. It's a copy of the, what was it? A copy of the Hudson Bay Emergency Pilots Kit from 1956 with some updates I did. So he's going to get that one. If you can, guys, take it to, let's see, FedEx or a photocopy place. It used to be Kinko's. I can't remember now what they call it. But anyway, with a copy machine, make copies, give it to your friends. Real easy kit to make. Not that hard. I know Hooper's Cat hates kits. But this is small, easy, and anyone can do it, and it's Canadian. So beat that, Hoopers. Okay. Yeah, let's give announcements. Let's see. Already did that one. Okay. Hello to Desert Horizons. Welcome aboard. Old school with a modern twist. Please, everybody, check out his channel. If you want to learn something good about homesteading, go check it out. Off the Grid, Living with St. Lucia. Hi, folks out there on the islands. Welcome aboard. JW Solar USA. Welcome aboard, folks. Let's see. Who else? And repeats. West Wind Survival. Hey, welcome aboard. Steel Survival. Everybody go check out his channel. He's starting out. Give him hints, tips, leave nice comments. He's just starting, and he's an Eagle Scout. From old one beat up Eagle Scout to the next, welcome aboard. Yeah, let's see. Anita Swartz. I'll get your name right, dear. Welcome aboard. Bayou Prepper. Howdy, welcome aboard. And Interp66, welcome aboard. And I hope I got everybody's names I wrote down this time. And like I said, big thanks to Matt for sending me the sticker. Thank you very much. And today is National Unicorn Walkout Day. I don't have my visuals today, so okay, you walked out, got some more gun control. Well, let's stop the shooting. No. Go after the students. Remember my earlier videos, go check out that, where I told you who was at fault and nobody listened to Uncle Alan. You go look back at that video and you look what's going on and who's pointing fingers. And they say, oh, this is my fault. I just follow rules. Duh. So the guys who did the Nazi concentration camps, we're just following the rules. Duh. And all of you students who just walk out today, you're not doing anything good. Okay, you want to do something? Talk, write. If you want to do something, find out why your school let this nut in a circuitry program. He didn't take his meds, he didn't went to therapy, and he armed himself with a semi-automatic rifle. Think about that, kids, while you're walking around protesting. We're going to do something. We're going to get some more gun laws. Okay, we're at 68,000, so you had 2,000 more gun laws. What's that going to do? Nothing. Go after your problem fellow students. Look to the left, look to the right, and you wonder, are you really doing anything important? Gotta keep this short. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Hit the little button for notification. Subscribe. and check out the other channels I mentioned. Thank you very much, and catch you later.